Hey guys, Chris Valdez with Horizon Consulting Partners. Many of you have seen me with Bary. He's the founder, with his brother, of SemiaPro. We talk always about franchising. Previous videos, we talk about the right candidate. Where do you see the industry going? I mean, there's so many brands out there, Bary. It's people who get confused where to go. They get nervous about starting something new or a brand they'd never even heard about. So talk about SemiaPro and maybe talk about why people should not just go to the McDonald's of the legacy brands, but they should also understand other brands that are up and coming like SemiaPro.
So I think that one of the biggest mistakes that people do when they buy a franchise, it's the impulse, immediate reaction of what they want. Oh, I want to buy McDonald's. I want to buy this brand. The immediate it triggers what people think they want. And they are blindsided based off their emotions and what they've heard previously versus really having a more sophisticated approach of how to now, okay, I want to buy a franchise. What's your good sector? What's sticky? What's the day-to-day operations? What does the lifestyle of the franchisee look like? What's going to be durable, not in the short term, but in the long term, right? A lot of times franchise concepts are fads, and depending when you got in and you exited, you may have done well. But if you got in at the end of the fad, then you may have struggled, right? So it's understanding the right lens. And that's why it's so important to really now get good information from a good advisor like yourself. Find a sophisticated advisor that has seen all the different trends in the cycle that's happened in franchising. And that way you know where you are on that journey of where to invest. And that's the biggest mistake that a lot of people do. And you have to now take your emotions out of it, take your impulse thoughts out of it, and really now come back and unpeel the onion of what is going to be the right opportunity for you.
Yep.